Hey guys, it's Ava.
Yo, it's Brady.
So today we're going to be making fluffy slime. We've already started doing it, and so we need half a cup of glue, any type of glue. We use glitter glue, of course.
Yeah, and then half a cup of shaving cream too. So.
And if you don't do half a cup, you can just do the same amount of shaving cream as there is glue. So next we will be doing.
Yeah, we're watching a video to help us do it.
Yeah. We will be mixing it, I believe.
Too much like I did. And you're going to scoop it out of the measuring cup.
Mix it?
Mix it up.
Okay.
Mix it.
Mix it.
Wait, what if we added too much shaving?
I don't think we did.
Okay, and mix that. And then you have to do,
I think I should use a spoon.
pass your things to me.
Oh, what do we need now?
Oh, we need the
Half a cup of that too?
we need the half cup of soap and then half a cup of.
Oh yeah, my mom's over here helping us too because.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh god, this is now covered in weird.
There we go.
Okay, so after you mix the
Mix it up.
shaving cream and glue, you add the same amount of hand soap as foaming hand soap.
There we go.
So you should have, so if you're using the same measurements as we are, you should have half a cup of glue, half a cup of shaving cream, and half a cup of foaming hand soap.
Half a cup of pretty much everything.
Yeah.
Stir it really, get the sides.
I don't want to use, ooh, look at that color. Ooh, we made pretty colors.
Yeah.
We have like a
These
lavender
are one
and
of my
rose.
favorite colors though. I like purple.
Yeah, but me and my mom bought these, so.
True.
And I gave you the good shaving cream, even though there's no difference. I gave you the good shaving cream. Okay, next step is, oh, do you know?
I'm
She
trying.
got the good
Here, let me
spatula,
see.
but I got the good
Alright,
spoon.
here we go. I got it.
I want to pee.
Entertain.
So, this slime would be different from like just normal slimes because it will be fluffier and stretchier. Yeah, and it'll be, I have a feeling it'll just be more fun.
Yeah.
Make sure you really mix it
Yeah,
well.
you gotta really mix it up. Like, about that much is good, but I gotta get the sides more, so.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it should be liquidy.
Liquidy?
I'm gonna use the spoon. The spoon will be better. Yeah, that's a lot better.
What do we need now?
Well, yeah, by this time,
Now you need.
by about this time, it should look like this.
Yep.
Oh, Brady, you didn't even get the bottom.
That looks good though with its colors. And
Yeah.
his is red, yours is purple.
Oh, let me show you the colors, because if you use the glitter glue, the glitter won't really show up, but the colors are really pretty.
Yeah, the colors will definitely show.
Well, we don't know that yet.
Yeah.
They show now.
Mix.
A half a cup.
Mixy, mixy.
Mix it.
I have a feeling this is going to be very, very entertaining to watch.
Yes, because we're
It's
just
like,
Okay, now I'm putting in.
I got you.
Alright, come here. Half a cup of
Oh, yeah.
cornstarch.
Half a cup of cornstarch.
Or half a teaspoon, sorry.
teaspoon.
Half a
Have a teaspoon of cornstarch.
If you messed up, it's because my mom, so
No,
don't
it's
hate
not.
us.
Yeah, because
We must feel the love.
her mom.
Yeah, my mom.
Yeah.
Half a cup.
We just say that there.
Okay, stir it around good.
Yeah.
Stir it around good, yep. Which we are, steps in.
Mix.
Even if we,
And the bottom.
yeah. Brady, lift yourself up. Look at the bottom.
What? I don't have very fast news. Yeah, it gets kind of hard because it sticks to the sides.
Right,
Yeah.
and now
Good workout.
we're going to need the
Yeah.
activator.
Wait, we didn't even use the lotion.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's for after.
My love to go to waste.
Okay.
Boy.
Next, you want to add about a pump or two.
No, God, do her.
Nah.
She doesn't want to do it on camera.
Not that
Okay.
today. Not on camera.
You don't That's when it's most.
I don't know what she's doing. I'm taller than you now.
Yeah. Just so everybody knows, we're just short 11-year-olds.
Oh yeah,
We're really
this is
short
our
ones,
first video.
yes.
We haven't even introduced ourselves fully.
Yeah. And go subscribe to my channel. When I
Be
make
great
some
or something.
videos.
Be awesome.
Be amazed. It's about Shrek shots. And
If he can
my
ever
first
do any.
video will be about bottle flips.
Oh, I'll be there. We should do it
Let's
today.
go.
Put a of lotion.
What's that mean?
Just a squirt.
A squirt.
I have a feeling there's. Oh no, Mom took that off.
Some hand soap.
Yep. No, that's good. Because you're going to add some more. Okay, that's good.
Add some body lotion.
And then
Do it right now. Do it after.
What is that?
hand soap.
We
but
have
not
some.
not the fluffy kind.
Oh, that.
The liquid kind.
Yep.
So you also need. Can I see that, Mom? You also will need a what is it called?
Foaming.
Non-foaming hand soap. Then you'll do 1 squirt of that, and then you'll also do 1 squirt of any lotion. We use baby lotion because
It smells good.
babies.
It smells
And
good.
Are you going to use any color, or are you sticking with what you got?
We don't have any color,
We don't have any color.
and I like this color. It's a pretty lavender color.
Oh, we still got some glue left.
We don't need it now. I think it'd be too late to add it. Oh, you actually have a lot left.
We have like this, just about the same left.
Oh, really? Whoa!
Yo,
We missed so much
Yeah.
glue. I have a feeling it was for the best, though.
yeah.
We can make another tiny batch.
Yes,
Maybe.
we missed
Maybe.
so much glue.
Okay, well, you only
We missed.
needed a half.
Oh God.
You only needed a half a cup, though.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, you can
Yeah, we're gonna make another
blue,
tiny
red,
thing.
green, or yellow.
Blue for Brady.
Oh, so you're gonna make purple?
Okay, it's gel, so you don't need to.
Yeah, we don't need very much yet.
I hate Justin Bieber.
Okay. Abe, do you want to
I
color?
barely even did anything.
No.
You're going to leave it that color?
Wait, what?
Wait, can I see a little blue? Because I'm gonna make it a little darker. No, can I have the yellow? Because I want to make it brighter.
Oh, can I also use some green to see what that makes?
You're going to make a poop color?
Yes, I'm gonna make a poop color.
Do you want the yellow too?
Yes, I'm mixing all the colors if I can get the green open.
You want me to open it?
I got it.
Okay. I'm gonna mix this in now. I have a feeling we were supposed to do this a long time ago. And we're back.
Yeah,
So we took a little time to mix it up and add a little coloring. So after the colors, we've decided to call this cotton candy slime. Show them your slime.
Yeah, because it looks like cotton candy.
Yeah, except not as strong as cotton candy. And now we're going to be adding the activator. We used a teaspoon of borax. I mean, yeah, a borax and a cup of water.
I put about 3 teaspoons at first, I think.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
To start.
Then you're just going to mix that in.
Oh, it's coming together. Oh my God, it's coming together. Can you add a little more, Mom?
Whoa. Oh, geez, it's all on the spoon. It's
However,
like all on the spoon.
to add more because
Oh my God.
All of it's on the spoon. Crap.
No, usually that's that's why spatula's good.
Oh, he's using the spoon. That's why.
keep adding more.
How does that? Ew!
Keep adding black.
It's not coming together.
Yes, it will. Here, pick that up.
If I did this wrong, I'm gonna be really upset.
Wrong. You just need to use
And if
more
yours is coming
acid
out like mine, and you're not really like getting everything
Oh, mine's
together,
all good.
just
Mine's
keep
good.
slowly adding more activator and activator. So then, yeah. Every once in a while, touch it and see how it feels because that's how.
Mine's fluffy. Whoa, it does make a mess.
What?
Mine's good. Mine's good.
Mine's
Make
not.
sure you do not put too much borax, otherwise you'll
Whoa.
become hard and it will break super easy
Yo.
and not be stretchy at all.
Mine's good. Mine's pretty
So
good.
once your slime clumps up together like this, you're going to take it out of the bowl and knead it with your hands.
Okay. Yours is good?
Mine's good. Mine's all good. I think I'm good.
Show them your slime, Brady.
Yeah, well, here's my slime.
It's still sticky?
Yep.
Mine is,
Yours is still sticky? That means you just need more.
mine's not sticky. No.
Here.
Mine's a little sticky though. A little bit more wouldn't hurt.
There. And then, yeah, knead it. That's how you'll know it, you know.
Because it was a little sticky, I decided to add more borax.
Ah,
But please,
needed
More borax. That's what this is.
The activator. Oh my god, this is so cool. Guys, you're gonna love this.
Yo.
knead the borax into the slime.
Mine's not as sticky as hers.
Yeah,
Mine's not good.
Well,
Now the slime is
Mine looks like poop.
mine needs more activator.
okay.
Still, and I don't know why. Probably because I added too much of something.
That's fine. That's why this is.
This is our first time making it,
So yeah. But mine, I'm mixing it with my hands. Mixing with my hands.
we're kneading it, Brady. That's
What?
what it's called, kneading.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. Now it's coming together.
Oh, it looks like a cloud! We shouldn't have said it was fluffy slime. We should have said it was clown slime. I mean, clown.
Cloud?
Cloud, not clown.
Yeah. Yeah. Earlier, I think I did see a clown though. Like a few days ago.
Oh,
on
yesterday?
Super Bowl
Yeah.
Sunday. Yeah. Not yesterday.
Same, whatever.
No,
Super Bowl Sunday.
I know that. Okay, so if yours was too sticky, like mine was, keep adding more activator. Like if you use contact solution, keep adding that. If you use borax, keep adding. Brady, move over more so then they can see you. Add more of that. If you use liquid starch, which we can't find anywhere, since
Yeah.
we're probably not looking hard enough, because oh, there goes the hot tub.
People.
Oh yeah, that is.
Be your cleanup people.
Oh, so this. Look at how this is so cool.
Yeah. Whoa! Mine didn't even stick. Mine didn't even stick to the
If we
paper.
could get a close up to the slime, that'd be good. So if it goes close up in like 3 seconds, then you'll know why.
just pull the slime between your hands, like you can see.
So this is our slime. You probably can't hear it because it's so loud, and I'm really loud. So what are you doing?
I'm swapping it.
Close up.
Close up to the sun.
Okay, now.
Mine looks like poop.
Ours doesn't look like the girls on the video we were
She is
watching.
colored.
Well, yeah. No, hers is like a different.
God bless you. And a dab. Okay. So,
Watch this.
Add more lotion.
Watch this. It won't do anything. It's just like a ball. You can just throw it.
that makes it more stretchy.
The lotion makes the
Play with it.
what is this called? The fluffy slime more stretchy. So if it's not stretchy enough for you,
Then you just
add more lotion, and let's see if the lotion worked.
you got it. So you gotta really, yeah. You gotta really.
It's making pretty sounds.
Oh, but the lotion does make it a little bit stickier though. It
Oh,
just,
look at you could sort of see the glitter. So this is probably a really bad close up, but you can sort of still see the glitter when you look at it, because when I'm
yeah,
looking at
you're
it,
right.
I still see the glitter. So if you use glitter, the glitter will sort of show up.
yeah, it'll kind of show up. Yeah.
So this is our first video. So if it's pretty bad, don't leave us hate, because that'd be a great introduce to YouTube.
Yeah. We'll make another one if we hit 200 likes.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Oh. 50 likes then.
10.
10 likes. 10.
No, if we get 50 views, which we
50,
probably
yeah.
won't, but.
Yeah.
Yeah, the lotion's actually really helping. So the more lotion you add, the stretchier your slime will be. I know this is like,
This is so good.
whoa, I can't wait for some of you guys to make this and then feel this, because I wish you could feel this on the screen, because we should make a new Instagram account, like one of
Oh
those,
yeah.
like one of those like accounts where they're like,
Slime siblings.
yes,
Yes.
that could be the name.
Slime
Go
siblings.
follow our new Instagram account called Slime Siblings. Go follow that.
Once you get it. No, slime step siblings.
No,
Slime siblings.
step sibling. Who cares?
True. Whoa. This is
This is so awesome. I don't think I've felt something like this before, and it's awesome. I want
You
to.
can just throw it like a ball.
Oh my God, you can hear it. Okay, thanks for
Whoa.
watching, guys. Wait, you ready? You ready for an exit?